Hey guys, good afternoon from sunny Naples, Florida. My name is Bob McIntosh, and today I'd like to give you a tour of one of my favorite models, the 2019 Boston Whaler 380 Outrage. Come on board with me, check her out.
What I really love about the 380 Outrage is the versatility that it offers a family. Whether or not we're going to spend the day fishing or cruising, it really has a little bit of everything for everyone. Starting right here on the transom. Absolutely massive live well with a divider down the middle to split your bait, whether you're using shrimp or pinfish. Definitely don't want to cross-contaminate those two baits. Large fold-down aft seat with opposing seating here, directly across facing aft. And actually underneath that seat you have great insulated storage for drinks, food, not to mix our catch and what we're going to be eating for the day. With the backrest folding out, makes for a great prep station, great place to store your drinks, your hors d'oeuvres if you're cocktail cruising. And really what's great in our Florida sun is having our sure shade that's going to extend all the way out past the transom. So at the helm of the 38 Outrage, one of the nicer features in my opinion, again, boating in Southwest Florida, is having the option to have air conditioning at the helm. Really takes the heat off of a hot summer day. When you're under shade, I'd argue that you can cut 10 degrees off of the ambient temperature. Really nice feature that most people overlook is that same AC blowing on you from the helm, it's also blowing on your rear end. So earlier in the video, I touched on the versatility of the 380 Outrage, and I think the bow says it all. If we're cruising for the day or if we're heading down to the Keys, this is where you want to find yourself. We have a 2-wide chase lounger with great storage underneath, cup holders, obviously a must, and most conveniently, we have 12-volt charging for our cell phones. So this video really only touches on a handful of really nice features that could benefit you and your family out in the water. I'd love the opportunity to show you the whole boat privately in person and really go through it with you. Again, my name is Bob McIntosh. Best way to reach me is on my cell phone at 215-501-2473. I look forward to seeing you.